Hello students, welcome to the class today. So, we are carrying on with this chapter, chapter 4, working of institutions. A lot of discussions we had on the working of institutions. Last class, what we were discussing in the last video, what we had discussed is that the topic was talking about need for political institutions. Got it? Do we really need political institutions? Yes, of course we need it. क्योंकि क्या है, अगर if the political institutions are not there, so it would be very difficult to run such a big system. Such a big system that is running, so many people are involved into it. We started this story, I'm not repeating it, but just for your reminder, I told you that this word would be used many times in the chapter. What word I'm talking about? Yes, my dear children, it is office memorandum. So the government orders and their implications and their effect on the lives of the people, on the conditions of the people is what we need to understand in this chapter. And it had a lot of effect. 1990 13th August को ऑफिस मेमोरेंडम आता है सुप्रीम कोर्ट में. इट वॉज चैलेंज्ड. Indira Sawhney and others versus the Union of India. So they challenged the decision of government. Government's decision can be easily challenged. And यहाँ से ही सारी कहानी शुरू हुई. We have started all the story from here. Now we are understanding कि the several welfare schemes are there. Some people are there. And then we have also understood about the meaning of institution, that several arrangements to meet the tasks in the country. Lot of arrangements are to be made. Welfare schemes are there. The people who are working with the government or who are working in the offices, orders are to be issued to them. Planning is needed to be done for the country. कौन ये सारा काम कर रहा है? It is these institutions that are performing all these functions. And institutions are very important. हमने पढ़ा प्राइम मिनिस्टर is an institution. Prime Minister, and you know what happens is that the cabinet ministers. I told you in the class also. One of the sessions, online sessions, I had already discussed about it. That Prime Minister is an institution, cabinet is an institution. Got it? They are taking all the important policy decisions for the country, which is deciding the future of the country and which is affecting the future of the country. Got it, my dear children? So we need to understand it, that what role are these key people playing. इन्होंने डिसीजन ले लिया. उसके बाद there are civil servants जो कि साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. They are working with the ministers, with the PM, with the cabinet all together. This I am revising from the last video that we have done. And then there are some people who are looking after that all the rules that have been made by the institution. One of the supreme institutions, Prime Minister and the cabinet ministers, it is implemented. जो लोग नहीं फॉलो कर रहे हैं उनके साथ क्या करना, what is to be done with them. Got it? ये सारी चीजें थी. कुछ और इंस्टीट्यूशंस के बारे में सोचो. Can you think about some institutions other than जो अभी हमने बुक में डिस्कस किया, whatever we have discussed right now? Can you think of other institutions other than Prime Minister, cabinet ministers, president? These all are institutions. क्योंकि whatever बार बार मैं यही कह रही हूं कि the future of the country is decided by them. The present situation managed and controlled. अभी देखो, I will give the example of virus here. The pandemic era that is going on, think of the challenge that government has faced. Some of the leaders, political leaders I am talking about, my dear children. Some of the political leaders, they were suffering from corona pandemic. कोरोना डिजीज से वो सफर किया उन्होंने. 15-15 दिन तक क्वारंटाइन रहे, वापस काम पे आ गए. They came back to work. Meetings, public interactions, सारा कुछ कर रहे हैं. Did they sit at home? No, pandemic है, नहीं करना है. No, they did not. That is the challenge. That is what now here they have proved. अभी जब वोटिंग होगी ना, people will think कि जब पैंडेमिक era था, did these leaders work या ये घर में आराम से शांति से बैठे हुए थे? There is a thought process. तो क्राइसिस मोमेंट पे अगर आप काम करते हैं तो लोगों को नजर आता है और आगे के लिए इट इज दे थिंक एंड देन दे वोट. पीपल आर नॉट अ फूल ना. द पीपल हु आर वोटिंग, जो लोग वोट करने जा रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट फुलिश पीपल. दे सी द सिचुएशन, दे अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन, अकॉर्डिंगली डिसीजंस आर टेकन. गॉट इट? सो व्हेन दे सी दैट द लीडर्स आर वर्किंग सो मच टू सच एन एक्सटेंट, बुरा क्यों लगेगा उनको? वोट करेंगे ही वो. Why will they not vote for them? Are you getting my point? So this is what I wanted to say. And institutions में lot of rules and regulations are there. The people who are part of the institutions, they have to follow so many rules and regulations. Got it? इसमें the major thing that is involved here is कि institutions are binding the hands of the leaders. Okay? Institutions, समझो. अभी this is the question that we are talking about. What are the functions of institutions? So institutions set rule and regulation. रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस कौन बना रहे हैं? इंस्टीट्यूशंस बना रहे हैं. गॉट इट? रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस आर मेड बाय द इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड दे सी, इट इज सीन दैट इट इज बाइंडिंग द हैंड्स ऑफ द लीडर. ठीक है? इट बाइंड्स द हैंड ऑफ द लीडर. अभी लीडर बन गए हैं भाई, प्राइम मिनिस्टर बन गए हैं, डिफेंस मिनिस्टर बन गए हैं, फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर बन गए हैं. मनमानी करने दो ना, क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इतनी मेहनत से इतनी पावर मिली है. कैन दे डू इट? नो, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, बिल्कुल नहीं कर सकते हैं. इनफैक्ट उनके ऊपर तो ज्यादा नजर रहती है लोगों की. मीडिया इज ऑल द टाइम आफ्टर दैम. सो इफ दे डू एनीथिंग, छोटी सी छोटी गलती को भी इतना हाईलाइट किया जाता है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो वी रियली नीड दीज पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस, माय डियर चिल्ड्रन. बहुत जरूरी है. एंड इंस्टीट्यूशंस में क्या काम करते हैं? There are meetings, there are committees, there are routines. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं that needs to be taken care of. And there are meetings. Got it? Committees that are made. किसको क्या काम करना है? Committees and routine. Routine तो is very important. 9:05 पे यू हैव टू रीच, द लीडर हैज टू रीच टू सम प्लेस. तो वो 9:05 पे ही पहुंचेंगे. ये नहीं कि 9:05 है तो 11 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं. वैसे इंडियंस डू इट. सम इंडियन लीडर्स आर इनटू अ हैबिट ऑफ जस्ट गोइंग लेट एंड नॉट रेस्पेक्टिंग द टाइम. तो ऐसे लीडर्स को फिर टाइम भी बता देता है. व्हेन द टाइम कम्स देन पीपल डोंट वोट फॉर दैट. आर यू अंडरस्टैंडिंग? सो दैट इज द मार्क ऑफ द पीपल, दैट इज द मार्क ऑफ द लीडर्स. So they need to take care. Routines are there. कभी कभी क्या होता है, because so much of work is involved. इतना सारा काम एक साथ हो रहा है. Please understand. Meeting is there, committees are there, routine is happening. इसमें क्या होता है? Sometimes there is delay and complication. जो भी काम हो रहा है, whatever work is happening, there is delay in that work and complications हो जाता है. This office, then that office, then that officer, then that officer. So many people are involved in this final decision making. Got it? Delay and complications. हाँ, कुछ चीजें सही हैं, कुछ चीजें उल्टी पुल्टी हो जाती हैं. एंड some of the क्या होता है, these procedures, all these things that are happening, all these processes that are happening, we need to understand. And all these meetings that are happening, delay is there, complication is there, लेकिन इट इज नीडेड फॉर द फंक्शनिंग और प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द इंस्टीट्यूशन. जल्दी में, हड़बड़ में कितनी बारी गड़बड़ भी हो जाती है. ठीक है, आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इट इन अ वेरी सिंपल सेटल लैंग्वेज कि व्हेन यू आर इन अ हेस्ट, so at times wrong decisions are taken, but in these kind of situations wrong decisions are absolutely not possible. It takes so much of time. Time taking है, लेकिन generally क्या होता है, lot of assessment is there for each and everything, each and every decision that is taken. अचानक से कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले लिया गया, अचानक से कोई चीज नहीं हुई है. Okay, so things are simple also. And institutions में another thing that is very important is that they are making it very difficult to have a good decision taken very quickly. Things are not happening quickly. So at times what happens? Decision is delayed. And quick decisions are not there. Quick decisions are not taken. So बैड डिसीजन आर ऑल्सो अवॉइडेड. ऐसा नहीं है कि बैड डिसीजन ले सकते हैं, जल्दी में अगर ले लेंगे हो सकता है द डिसीजन कुड नॉट बी अप टू मार्क. सो डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट दे इंसिस्ट ऑन इंस्टीट्यूशंस. गॉट इट? डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट इंसिस्ट ऑन, मतलब दे से कि इंस्टीट्यूशंस होना ही चाहिए. फॉर प्रॉपर फंक्शनिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन इज रियली नीडेड. ओके, इंसिस्ट ऑन इंस्टीट्यूशंस. This was about the need for political institutions. Why do we need it? What are the functions that is happening in the institution? Is it really needed? So आप सोच लो that the leaders who are there, इनके हाथ बंधे हुए हैं. Rules and regulations are there, laws are there. Any wrong decision that they will be taking, so many people are there to oppose it. Okay, जल्दी तो कर ही नहीं सकते because it is taking lot of time. जगह जगह पे जाके डिस्कशन हो रहा है. And the people who are involved in the decision making, the people who are deciding it finally, they ensure that everybody is happening, justice is happening to everyone. किसी सबके साथ न्याय होना चाहिए, किसी के साथ भी अन्याय नहीं होना चाहिए. Are you understanding? Very simple thing, but important. This was the need for a political institution. जरूरत है, पॉलिटिकल इंस्टीट्यूशंस की जरूरत है हमारी कंट्री में. वी नीड द इंस्टीट्यूशंस एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट आर दीज इंस्टीट्यूशंस. सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज मेनी अ टाइम्स दैट वी सेट एग्जांपल फॉर द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. हमारे यहाँ पे जो चीजें होती हैं, it is like I mean it is like an example for the other parts of the world, other democracies. They say, wow, क्या बात है, इंडिया में रहने का तो मजा ही कुछ हो रहा है. People say that. But then there are some people who say कि a lot of corruption is there. हर चीज, कोई भी काम कराने से पहले पैसा देना पड़ता है and all these things. So what happens? Everything comes with a pros and cons. अच्छा है तो बुरा भी होता है. Everything is not very ideal, na? Okay. So problems can be there. Now, the next big institution that we are talking about is this Parliament. Got it? Office memorandum, what we had discussed. If you remember, usme we remember the role of Parliament. When the decision was taken, the first address, पहली बार प्रेसिडेंट ने ये जो बात की थी वो पार्लियामेंट में की थी. एंड ये दिस डिसीजन दैट वाज टेकन बाय पार्लियामेंट, आपको लगेगा, अभी आप सोचोगे, यू माइट थिंक कि पार्लियामेंट हैड नो रोल इन इट. इसमें पार्लियामेंट का क्या रोल था? व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ पार्लियामेंट? लेकिन जब हम पूरा स्टोरी देखते हैं, ठीक है, आई हैव डिस्कस्ड द स्टोरी इन डिटेल, how the Mandal Commission was implemented एंड ये 27% रिजर्वेशंस दैट हैड हैपेंड, उसके पीछे की क्या कहानी थी ये मैंने डिस्कस किया था, डिटेल में किया है। लेकिन चलो फिर से एक बार इस स्टोरी को देख लेते हैं। लेट्स सी दिस कि पार्लियामेंट का क्या रोल था, व्हाट वाज द रोल ऑफ पार्लियामेंट। ओके, सो आई एम गिविंग यू द पॉइंट। सबसे पहले क्या था पार्लियामेंट में, अगर हम देखें, ठीक है, द प्रीवियस स्टोरी दैट वी हैव टॉक्ड अबाउट, उसमें इट वाज देयर द रिपोर्ट ऑफ द मंडल कमीशन वाज डिस्कस्ड। द रिपोर्ट ऑफ द मंडल कमीशन was discussed। कहां पे, ठीक है, रिमेंबर इन, यस डियर चिल्ड्रन, अब याद आया, पार्लियामेंट, जॉइंट सेशन ऑफ पार्लियामेंट। प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया मेंशन दिस इन हिज, ये सारे फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स दैट यू नीड टू फिल इट अप, इट इज गिवन इन द बुक इटसेल्फ। आप देखेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा, आपको याद आएगा कि पार्लियामेंट का क्या रोल था। द प्राइम मिनिस्टर, द प्रेसिडेंट addressed a dash dash dash, the prime minister, got it। ये सारे लोगों के जो बड़े बड़े इंस्टीट्यूशंस का नाम आ रहा है, तो all these institutions they have not taken the decision single handedly, they have discussed it, all this made a statement in the parliament। आप जब इसको देखोगे, when you fill it up, when you see the back story, then you will be understanding what was the role played by parliament in passing of this Mandal recommendation, in the passing of this office memorandum, in taking the decision related to the Mandal commission। Decision was not directly taken in parliament, parliament में भी direct decision was not taken। क्या है, हर जगह क्या आ रहा है, addressed, discussed, everywhere discussions are happening, everywhere people are sitting and talking about it। Are you understanding? So parliamentary discussions were there on report, influenced and shaped the decision of the government। Whatever report was prepared, it was discussed and the decisions were taken by the government, by the decisions were taken by the government, लेकिन parliament में proper discussion has happened। If parliament wouldn't have supported it, या parliament wouldn't have given its views on this, तो ये decision finalize नहीं हो सकता था, it couldn't have been finalized। Got it? So discussions were there, the government could not have gone ahead with it। Okay, यहां पे देखो पार्लियामेंट का रोल। इफ पार्लियामेंट wouldn't have approved it, then decision was not possible। Got it? It was not possible। ये फाइनल हो ही नहीं पाता, फिर ये पास नहीं हो पाता, फिर ये मंडल कमीशन रिपोर्ट जो है ये इसी तरह से रह जाता। इट वुड हैव बीन लाइक दिस ओनली। ओके, तो अभी पार्लियामेंट के बारे में पहले आप लोगों ने कुछ पढ़ा है, हैव यू एवर रेड इन द क्लास? थोड़ा सा पहले भी सोचो, 7th क्लास में या 6th क्लास में। यस, यू माइट हैव डेफिनेटली अंडरस्टूड एंड रेड अबाउट द पार्लियामेंट, लेकिन बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इंस्टीट्यूशंस, got it, we are talking on a very large scale from the country point of view, now we will be understanding the role of parliament in a very different manner। Got it? Let's discuss it। So parliament and its role that we are talking about, all these people, all these institutions that are there had a discussion in the parliament। What I wanted to highlight, my dear children, that nowhere we can say that parliament is a less important institution. It is definitely a very important institution. Now, what we are understanding here is that parliament maybe directly the decisions were not taken. All these people who had addressed the parliament, who had discussed the things in the parliament, and the prime minister and all these people had a discussion in Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha. Now, parliament के बारे में आपने जो पहले मतलब earlier what you might have read about parliament, that what actually is the role of parliament, काम क्या होता है parliament में, what is the work that is being done in the parliament. So we need to understand that an assembly of elected representatives are there in the parliament. Okay, who is the MP from Varanasi in the parliament? Yes, my dear children, it's Narendra Modi. So he is sitting in the parliament because the people of Varanasi had voted for him. He had won the elections, and now he is as a member of parliament from the Varanasi area. Are you understanding? So that is the power. It is, all the representatives who are there, an assembly of elected representatives from different regions of India, all the parts of India, all these elected people who are there, they go and sit in the parliament and take decisions for the people. हमने उनको चुना है. Now they are there sitting in the parliament and deciding our future and taking decisions for us. Are you understanding? That is the power of the parliament. So, what actually, how do we explain parliament? What is the explanation for parliament? So, it is National Assembly. Please understand how do we define parliament? What is the definition of parliament? So, what we understand here is National Assembly of elected representatives. इलेक्शन होता है, इलेक्शन में जो लोग जीतते हैं, they are the people who go and sit in the parliament. National Assembly of elected representatives is called parliament. Got it? Please remember the definition. Is called parliament. Got it? Please understand. Now, पार्लियामेंट एक तो हमारा सेंटर में पार्लियामेंट इंडिया का एक पार्लियामेंट है, दैट इज देयर इन दिल्ली. नाउ इन ऑल द स्टेट आल्सो देयर इज पार्लियामेंट. Please try to understand. No, don't get confused. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that every state has got a place because there are state elections and there are central elections. So the central government elections that are there, the people who are elected, they go and sit in the parliament. They are called as member of parliament. But then there is another concept where the people who are elected in the state, Yogi Adityanath, okay, he became the chief minister because he has won the election from UP and from Gorakhpur, and then he is the chief minister now. So where do they sit and take decisions for the state? यूपी के लिए अगर कुछ कार्यवाही होनी है, so who are these people who will be taking decisions? So they are also the members who have been elected, but then their parliament, the place where they sit is not called as parliament, but state level में, at state level, this was the explanation for a parliament. At state level, the elected representatives sit in legislative assembly. कहां बैठते हैं? Legislative assembly. Yes, please do remember it. Got it? So it is also called as legislature. Okay? So it is also called as legislature. Now अभी क्या है, the name may vary. अब नाम हो सकता है कि अलग अलग हो, at different places the names are different, लेकिन such assemblies, state assembly and legislative assembly and national assembly exists in all the countries everywhere in the world. जहां पे भी democracy है, wherever there is democracy, we find the elected representatives going and sitting and taking decisions for the country. Okay, so political authorities, there are a lot of political authorities there on behalf of the people. हमने elect किया है, they are sitting in the parliament, or in the state elections the people are sitting in the legislative assembly. Are they powerful? Yes. Please understand the power of parliament. What are the powers of parliament? तो पार्लियामेंट का सबसे पहला काम जो है, ठीक है, द फंक्शंस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट, सबसे पहला काम, गॉट इट, दे आर मेकिंग लॉ फॉर द कंट्री, मेकिंग लॉ फॉर द कंट्री. ओके, फर्स्ट वर्ड, गॉट इट, कानून बनाया इन्होंने. ये जो लोग वहां पे बैठे हैं, the people who are elected, the representatives from different parts of India are sitting there and making laws. अभी ये जो task of law making that is there, they are sitting there, they are making law or they are making legislation. It is so crucial, इतना कठिन काम है ये, that these assemblies all the people who are sitting and making law, this is called as legislature. Because all these assemblies that are there, the legislative assembly that is there, they are making law for the country, but lot of discussions happen. आराम से आप किसी भी country के लिए रातों रात कोई कानून नहीं बन जाता. हाँ, many people are involved and many steps are there for making this law and implementing this law. So first is that making of law. So the assemblies are called as legislature. These assemblies are legislative assembly or legislature. Got it? Now, parliament ka, the another function that is there, parliament, they can make the law. They can change the existing law. जो law है, already the law that is there, they are responsible for making the law, abolishing the existing law. बहुत सारे law ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें law बना, और when the constitution was made, at that time the situation might be different or might be separate. तो अब क्या हो गया है कि अब अगर ये चेंज कर रहे हैं, if the law bodies are changing, तो they are making new ones in their place. पुराने law को बदल के नया law लेके आना है. New law is to be made. So that is also looked after by the parliament, by the legislative assembly. Got it? The laws that are there, states are related, centers are related, but in the state, the laws, when it is changed, they have to have a discussion with the central government. The people who are there at the center, they are the ones who will be taking final decision. Final decision making body, final decision making power is with them. Got it? So parliament, final authority for making law for the country, and it is very big. So these assemblies are called as legislature, please remember, which is also called as legislative assembly. Then all over the world they can make new laws, parliaments that are there everywhere. New laws can be made and existing laws that are there, जो already laws हैं, उसको भी change करके नए ला सकते हैं उसकी जगह पे. Very powerful. So parliament, now here we understand that parliament is one of the very powerful institutions of the country. Got it? Elected representatives are there, the people who are there, we have elected them. We have selected them and we have sent them to sit in the parliament. So further on, whatever they will be deciding, वहां पे बैठ के वो जो भी decide करेंगे, it should be in the benefit of the common people. गलत decision लेंगे, so what will happen? It will decrease their popularity. Got it? So functions of parliament, here we have started the next function, that is their first one is making law for the country. Other functions we'll be discussing in the next class. Till then, children, thank you so much and all the best to you.